If your Word document has awkward gaps, extra spacing, or messy blocks of text, this quick trick will help you clean everything up in seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete extra spaces in Microsoft Word using a simple find and replace method, so you can make your document look neat, professional, and easy to read. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and take a look at the areas where the spacing looks off. This method is especially useful if you copy text from a website, PDF, email, or another document, and Word added extra spaces that you do not want. Instead of manually searching through the entire page and deleting spaces one by one, we're going to use Word's built-in Find and Replace tool to fix the issue much faster. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+H. That opens the Find and Replace dialog box. This is the same tool people use for replacing words and phrases, but today we're using it to remove extra white space throughout the document. Once the dialog box appears, click inside the Find What box. Here, type $W, which is written as $W. This code represents white space in Microsoft Word, so it can catch extra spacing characters throughout the document. It is a very handy shortcut when you want to clean up formatting without doing everything manually. Next, move to the Replace with box. In this field, press the spacebar once. You only want to enter a single normal space here because the goal is to replace messy spacing with one clean space. That way, Word will go through the document and standardize the spacing for you. Now that both fields are set, click Replace All. Word will scan the document and replace the white space entries with a single space wherever it finds them. If your document had a lot of extra gaps, you should see the formatting cleanup immediately. This is one of the fastest ways to fix spacing problems in large documents, especially when you're working with copied content. After the replacement finishes, read through the document and make sure the text looks the way you want. In most cases, this will remove the extra spaces and make the paragraphs look much more polished. If you still see any odd formatting, you can repeat the process or manually adjust the few spots that need extra attention. This trick is perfect for students, office workers, bloggers, writers, and anyone who wants to make a Word document look cleaner without spending a lot of time editing every line. It's simple, fast, and built right into Microsoft Word, so you do not need any extra software or complicated steps. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more quick Word tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.